Okay, so here is why I like fixing things rather than getting them new. Number one, well, there's two reasons. Number one, and this is probably like the majority of my reason, about 80% of it is I hate chasing perfection with my vehicle, whether it's a Ferrari or any other car that I have in my possession. And I've had exotics, I've had, the collectibles, anything you mentioned there. Especially for with an item like this that's sits under my steering wheel. I can't see it. It's out of my sight. It's out of my mind. Once I fix it, it's done. So my main reason is I like fixing things rather than chasing perfection, because that's a game that never ends. That chase never ends. And, that's the reason. Number two, a piece like this costs $500 from Scuderia Ferrari without this little toggle. I don't even want to know how much it costs from the dealership. And it also allows me to learn something new. Instead of getting a new one, I get to work on it. I get to have that satisfaction and save some money in the process as well. As you can see from the bottom, it looks stock. I installed these little washers in all three holes, and then also cement glued it on top. So my tip is, if you're a guy that chases, or a gal that works on the cars and chases perfection, good for you. But I stopped doing that a while ago because, one, I want to have a personal touch on my car. Two, it's a stressful game to constantly chase perfection. And three, it allows me to save money, learn something new while fixing things. And also on a flimsy piece like this that's out of my sight and will be out of my mind pretty soon after I install this, I would rather fix it than dish out $500. My daily tip of the day. And this is the glue, by the way, that I used. GBL Clear Weld. It's quick setting, so it's great for plastic applications and any other application.